Hello everyone. So now our HFT Algo Scanner is much more improved, and we have released all the updates. And also if you go and check out this video, you can know about all the updates that we did. So let's talk about the performance. So now you have all these buy and sell signals with the strength, and not only that, like yesterday we had Sensex expiry, and if you can see, like this is a totally game changer. Okay, so I mean, here the sell signal came, like the sell signal with strength was 7, and which is a good one. Okay, and then after that, you know what happened. Now you can say that it's very easy to say after everything happened. So just go and check out my post at 10:29 a.m. And after that, like what happened, so the signal came in at 10:26, and as I always say that wait for the charts to bend, and it started bending in the direction, and then like it was good to go. Not only that, like the same signal came in bank nifty as well as like in nifty. If you see the same thing, like here also we got the same signal at around that point, like 10:25, and then 10:24 in bank nifty. Okay, so even like let's look at the PE, the Sensex. So this is 82,200 PE, and if you see here that like 45 rupees premium at that point, so again let's note down the time. So the time was 10:26, and if you look at here, that is 10:26 was here, and I updated on X at 10:29. So even let's even take it from 10:29 also. So the price was at 48, and from there it jumped to 142 or even like 153. So like more than 3x, so not only that, like there was so you can say that now this one worked for you, and that's why you have posted that. So there are several other posts, and not only like yesterday, so go and check out the day before yesterday, and also I came live to show the performance for the whole day. So just go and check out the past as well, and the other analysis that I posted on X, and also like I was live yesterday for the last 1 hour or 1.5 hours. So you can go and check that out. Even during that moment also, like we caught this one, like this sell signal again came in while we were, no, not that one, this one. Okay, so while we were live, so you can go and check out, like you just have to go to the live section and you have it there. So I mean, again, so like here we got this sell signal in the live, and that was like 13:59. Okay, so again, let's go and check it once, like 13:59. After that, what happened? So this is 13:59 was here. So like the price was at 18. Okay, and from there, like you can see, it went to 87, pumped up till 87. So I mean, if this is not a game changer, and while we were live, okay, so this is nothing like, now you can also say that now you can't even say anything. Okay, so we were live on YouTube. So that's the beauty of this indicator, guys. And also like here also a sell signal of 7 came in. So this is the whole performance of yesterday's Sensex expiry, and so not only that, yes, day before also, like I showed the performance, so it came down again right here. So this is a much improved version of the previous one, and so the thing is that the now the HFT Algo Scanner also can understand the like the smaller sharks, whether they are bigger sharks or whether the sharks are really they are bending, they are able to bend the charts or not. So we have improved it much, and also like we have improve the settings as well. Like you just now have to input the current market price or the strike price that you want, and it will like automatically fetch everything, and it will start on its own. Okay, so previously you had to update the symbol and everything, the strike price. So now just only the current market price or the strike price that you want to enter. And not only that, like this was the performance of the whole day, like for Sensex expiry. So you can also now go and check out the others, like how premium behaved for the even like the at the end there were put writers active, and we saw that clearly while we were live. And so you can also see, like even for this small buying also, how the premium went up or went down or anything. So if you go and check it out, so the thing is that like this was the best kind of best move that one can expect, and it was a very clean one. if you can very well see. And not only that, like let's talk about Nifty as well. So Nifty also, like if you see right at the start, like we got the sell signal 918, and then there was some buy signal, but the strength, if you see, it was two. Okay, fine. So two green candles came in and then again coming down, but the one which was here, so that was the one, like and then again right below you see the buying. Even there was a support like level from our side, and right there we got the buy signal, like yeah. And so the thing was that, like, the strength was 6 and it's a good one and it went up. Okay, so again you can go and check out how the premium went up. So if you just go and check out the ATM or near about ATM, how the premiums, like from where to where it went up. Again we got a sell signal here, again a buy signal, then a sell signal of strength 7 came in here. Okay, so again a fall, nice fall came in. So if you look at here 103 to, it came down to almost, like if we take it even here also till 65. Okay, so anyways the move also completed till here as well. But again that's not the point. The point is, like, the moves are coming. Okay, and according to the big institutions, how they're placing their bets. And again, there is no buy, hold or sell recommendation, so it's all based on predefined algorithms. And bots are generating the signals. I mean, it's basically showing you whether the big institutions, and this is a probabilistic view, guys. Obviously we cannot get in no big institution would come and say that please take our data. Okay, so you cannot get you cannot go to Jane Street and say that please give your data to us, like what you're doing, so they won't give you, right? So this is a, obviously this is a probabilistic approach. And like with a high probability we can say that the big institutions, like for example Sensex, there, so with a very high probability they have done call writing, and the amount was 151 cr, so which you can also see right there. So 151 cr of call writing happened. And even during that time also in Nifty, so Nifty, if you look at here, so it's 55 cr of call writing happened there. So the thing is that with I mean, with a high probability you get the fund flow. And not only that, like you are able to track the big institutions during real time. And it's, again I'm saying, it's all a probabilistic approach, it's not a deterministic one. And now also, like, you have everyday performance, you can go out, check out the past performance. I came live performance, you have to decide whether this probabilistic approach is giving a high accuracy or not. And the rest is all up to you. It's I mean, everything is open in front of you, like all the every day's performance and everything. So you can decide like whether you want to track the big institutions during real time or not. And so that's the thing. And yeah, so that's the beauty of our indicator. And I hope, like, you and also there has been addition of this, like multi-asset scanner as well as the cash market sentiment indicator. So you get access to like 4 indicators on TradingView, as well as the AI money flow sheets for Nifty and Bank Nifty, the Google sheets separately. Okay, so majorly, like, you have a total complete setup on TradingView now. Even if you don't follow the AI money flow sheets, if you don't I mean, you don't need, because now we also have the cash market sentiment. So if someone is pushing from the cash, so then also you get the signal, like here. So the buy signal came in and we can very well see that someone is pushing from the cash segment as well. So this is a further confirmation. And so you have a complete setup on TradingView terminal. Okay, so again, those who have free TradingView account, so there you can only put 2. But again, you can open 2 or 3 browsers, and you can again switch between browsers as well. So I have shown that in one of the videos of named TradingView hacks on my YouTube channel. But the main point is that even if you can like put 2 indicators, so you can either obviously the flagship indicator HFT will be there, and along with that, if you want, you can put the multi-asset scanner, because the cash market sentiment is already here, and you can track whether that is bullish or bearish just from the scanner. But again, if you don't want the scanner, you can just simply put the cash market sentiment, and you can, like, have a complete setup, guys. And this is the best setup. And like there is no other indicator that is like doing such a perfect job of catching the reversals, and it's very hard to believe that an indicator can catch reversals like this from almost top and bottom. And that too, like you might say that I went like it was a lucky day for us yesterday, but please do check out the past performance. Every day I've posted what was the performance on Nifty. It's not possible to post every day all the performance of all stocks and everything. So every day I posted for Nifty and also like most of the days for Sensex, Bank Nifty, and the other stocks as well. But so go and check it out, okay? So yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. And again, this is a totally game changer thing. And again, it's like you have to decide on your own whether you want such data on your terminal or not. And yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. So I hope you liked my work, and also like you can follow me on X for such posts and updates. And again, I'm saying that like this is not a buy, hold, or sell recommendation. So please do consult your financial advisor before taking any financial decision. So this is it's basically like uh, data points which is either bearish or bullish, or what the big institutions are doing in options with fund flow. So it's basically telling you that, and according to that data, whether you have a bullish setup or a bearish setup. So that's what it's saying. So again, it buy and sell doesn't mean like we are recommending you to buy or sell. So instead of buy or sell, we can also put anything in the message, so it doesn't matter, okay? So the thing is that it's defined on predefined logic. So it's not like someone is saying someone is recommending any buy or sell something. So it's basically your data points which is giving you signals, okay? It's nothing like someone is giving you tips or anything. So and so I hope like this is even like better than tips that you get on most of the telegram channels, guys. And so those who have been following me for a very long time, you know, and I hope you appreciate my work, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.